All right, everyone. So today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial about Google Drive. Google Drive is one of my favorites because it's easily accessible. You can share and you can save there easily. So I've already logged in. I've gotten into my Google Drive, and here I've created folders for each one of my courses for this semester. So if I wanted to create a new document in ULearn 3000, let's say, I can add a new document. Let's say I was creating a presentation with my classmates. I'm going to click a new presentation. Here I can select from a few themes. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to title my presentation Group Project, because this group project is going to have to be shared with a couple of other classmates. So I'm going to go under share. I'm going to type in the email addresses of my partners in this project. So Jason and Arlen. And let's say that I wanted these people to be able to add to the presentation. So I'm going to click on Can Edit. Once I press send, they can add any type of editing to the presentation. If I wanted someone just to look over it, then I would click share, add them. I'm going to add Jamina and can view. That way she can view it but not edit anything. All right, so let's say that I wanted to create a new document. So here I go under new on the drop down, you will see Google Docs. You click on that, title it, share it just as well. Notice that it changes every second you add a change onto the document. So if I put in a title, then I can save automatically. That's one of my favorite things about it. Now, oops. Now I can also go back to my folders and see any of the ones that I've worked on in the past week. This, my friends, was a very quick tutorial and advertising of Google Drive. I think it's very effective, efficient, and it's quick. It's easy to learn. So, totally recommend. Thank you.